Hey everybody, due to YouTube's new terms and conditions, this video is now age restricted. If you are not 18 or older, please exit the video. Thank you. Ho 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 everybody, and welcome back to York River Cannabis. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to add CBD to Christmas cookies. But first, before we get into today's video, if you wouldn't mind, smash that subscribe button if you're new here to the channel. And if you've already subscribed, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to show your support. I would appreciate it. So this time of year, it's heavy-handed and stress, and of course, we all have to go to some family event where we have to listen to aunts and uncles bitch about politics, Cousin Eddie talk about that piece of government metal in his head, and every time you turn on the microwave, he pisses himself and forgets who he is for a half an hour. But Christmas movie references aside, guys, we are going to show you today on how to add CBD to Christmas cookies, because somebody's got to drive home and be the designated driver, which means you're going to have to put up with those aunts and uncles and Cousin Eddies without that bottle of wine or that case of beer. And today, I'm going to show you how to take the edge off with CBD cookies so you can drive home straight. And today, all we're going to be using is a Christmas cookie cheat. That's right, we are not going to be making these things from scratch, because who the hell has time for that this holiday season? Add that to holiday shopping and holiday family events. Nobody wants to deal with making cookies from scratch, and then you have to go to the store and get more ingredients. This is a one-stop shop. I went down to Walmart and they had a whole selection of Christmas cookie box sets. Go to your local grocery store, I'm sure they have them. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. But the important thing I want to tell you guys about these box sets is you want to make sure on the back that the recipe calls for CBD butter. If it doesn't call for butter, I would stay away from it. Yes, you can cook with CBD oil, but I really think the CBD butter has a better effect when it comes to sweets. It just tastes a little bit better. So let's get right into making our hack CBD Christmas cookies so that you can take the edge off this holiday season. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have everything out here. We have our little chocolate colored dabs. We're going to put those off to the side. And then we have our 1/3 stick of butter, our 1 egg, the cookie mix, a mixing bowl, and of course the directions on the back of the box, which I already got the ingredients for. And this is it, guys. It's real simple. And again, that's why I said stress-free Christmas cookies. We already measured out the 1/3 cup of butter, and we already have the egg. So what we're going to have to do first is soften up the butter. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for approximately 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds. I'm going to get the egg and the cookie mix into this bowl. Okay, so while we're waiting for the butter to melt, we're going to get the cookie mix and get it into this bowl. Now again, this is just simple cookie mix recipe. They have everything in there. I'm assuming it's like baking soda and stuff like that. You know, you can make them from scratch, guys, but it's just a lot of work and a lot of ingredients to gather up. And when you can just go to the store and buy the Christmas cookie recipe right in a box, I don't see what the problem is. All right, so that's in. Go ahead, crack our egg, and it looks like our butter is done. Here we go, see, nice and melted. So we're gonna get that in there. Now, of course, the cookies are gonna be a hint of green, but that's what makes them special for Christmas. Now, if you wanna hide the herbal color or the herbal smell, you know, nothing with cannabis is going to taste like cannabis isn't there. But if you really want, always add chocolate. So that's just a tip if you wanted to do this and make these cookies. Chocolate has a really good habit of covering up that herbal flavor and the color, obviously. But for today, I don't care if these look green. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a mixer. So we have an electric mixer here. We're going to plug this in. And while we're doing that, I guess I should probably preheat the oven here. So let's go. It's 350 degrees. So let's get that going. And there's no rush, guys. Again, I want you to know that this is a stress-free cookie recipe. You know, these cookies can be made in the time that the box says they can be made. There's no KitchenAid mixer. There's nothing like that. This is a really easy recipe. And I want you guys to know that that's why I'm going with the cookie box. All right, so you're going to start off slow. And you're just going to go right in, mix it up. Now you can see that it is getting a little green, but it's not terrible. It's not going to be terrible. Now you can clearly smell the cannabis in it. It should cook off some of the smell, but you're going to have that green tinge. Now, the great thing about the Christmas time of year is that green is a color that everybody wants to see. So I think you can get away with it, especially this time of year. But that's what it looks like. The dough is now made. So real easy, guys. Real easy. I'm just going to mix it up just a little bit more. Clear off those, and then that's it. So now the dough is made. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the dough so you can see what I'm talking about with that green. It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. So now we're going to go ahead and get a spoon, and we're going to put them right on this cookie sheet. Now I like to line it with aluminum foil because, well, it just makes my life a lot easier when it comes to cleaning. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. You can choose not to. You can choose to do it. It's not that big of a deal. So you get a spoon, and if you've ever made these sugar cookies in the past, it's really quite easy. You can do a spoon, and what I like to do is the spoon kind of gives you the ball already. So what you do is you roll them into 1-inch balls. And that's it. So I'm not going to roll every single one of them in front of you guys, so we're going to flash forward to a full sheet of cookies ready to go into the oven. So I've made all the sugar cookie balls. Oven is now preheated 350 degrees, and they will be in there for about 9 to 12 minutes. So I'll show you guys when I pull them out of the oven. Okay guys, so the cookies were in there for about 13 minutes. And they are done. And as you can see, they look great. And again, you don't really see that green tinge. It kind of cooks off in the oven. And these cookies look absolutely delicious. So they've only been out for about 4 minutes cooling. And so now it's time to make them Christmas cookies, guys. So all you do is you take your little chocolate chips here and you put those right in the center while they're warm. And that's it. So here's the green ones, and I'll give you a couple red ones before we end this video. But yeah, this is a Christmas cookie hack, guys. I think that they are absolutely delicious. I've made them before, and I gotta say, it is a great way to add CBD to a Christmas cookie, and most people won't even know it's there. And that's it for today's video, guys. Delicious. Well, guys, that's the Christmas cookie hack. They're absolutely delicious. As you can see, I've already snacked on one. But if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below. I would appreciate it. Again, guys, you can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Patreon, along with our own website, yorkriver.weebly.com. And you can find all of our products on allbealternatives.com. I'll leave all those links in the description below. And that's all I have for you today. So take care, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday, and I will see you in another video. Take care.